Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you Python.
So today we're going to learn about lambda functions. So a lambda function is a small anonymous function. So a lambda function can have any number of arguments but can only have one expression. So why use a lambda function instead of a usual function? Well, you can get the power out of lambda functions when you put it inside a regular function. So first we're going to do a usual function. So this is how to write a lambda function. So first you have the name equals lambda, the word lambda, then the parameters, and then the expression. So this is the regular function. So we're going to do def, which is define hello, then there's a parameter x. Then we're going to return hello plus x. So we're going to run that function. Print hello, then world. So the x is the world. Then we'll return hello plus x, and the x is world, so we'll print hello world. So I'm going to save it. Alright, so did hello world. Next we're going to do it in the lambda way. So we're going to do hello1 equals lambda x, so is the parameter, then hello plus x, so that's the expression. So we're going to print hello1, then world as x. So let's see if it also prints hello world. So they both did hello world. Next, we're going to also do a function just like this one, but it will be like the lambda function because it will be one line. So we're going to do def hello2 x, return hello plus x. So we're also going to do print hello2 world. So we're going to see if all three of them do hello. So now there's 3 hello worlds.
So right now we have 3 ways to use functions to print hello world.
Yeah, so then we're going to do greeting. So we're going to do the lambda function equals lambda. Greet name. So now there's 2 arguments. Two parameters. Then greet plus then space plus name. So we're going to do print greeting, and the greet will be how are you doing, and the name will be Andrew. So greet then space Andrew. So to do how are you doing space Andrew. Right. So we did how are you doing, then there's space Andrew, so that worked. Now we're going to do define multiply n, so this is a regular function, and we're going to return lambda a and a times n. So now we are placing a lambda function inside a regular function. So now there are 2 parameters, one for the regular function, one for the lambda. So how do we fill both of them out at the same time? So we need to fill out the parameters in different times. We're going to do double, which is a variable, equals, then we're going to do the function multiply 2. So we're filling out n as 2. Then we're going to do triple equals multiply 3. Then we're going to do print double 11. We're filling out the a now. Print triple 11. So now it's supposed to be print 22 and 33. So did 22 and 33. So this worked, and this draws out the power of the lambda function.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.